Hello, my name is Jamie and I'm doing a game called Penny's Meow. I'm trying to make it as colourful as I possibly can, and all of the graphics are actually done by me, and I'll show you what I've done. I've actually done the character like 16 tiles width and 25 heights, because I need to shrink down the actual players so to make it more of a retro feel. As you look around here, my size is going to be 256 by 224, and the screen resolution has to be small. So if I play the game, this is what I've worked on. Wait a second. So I'm moving my character around. So my character can spin jump and doing a little jump. And all these graphics are done by me. You can make my character run. And once you hit these blocks, they kind of spin round. So you can jump up here and collect them coins. And I wanted to do a beach level because it looks pretty interesting. So I'm going to do like plenty of themes. So by the programming side, some of the stuff is actually here. So I've done about 53 actions. But what I'm actually going to do is like by every day or every week is my progress for making my game. And this is like all of my programming. And I've also done an object here, which is an umbrella. But I'm trying to limit my colours to make it more of an 8-bit feel. But later on I may do the background. So yeah, this is actually my game, and I'm going to do more each time I go along, but this is an introduction.